The long-awaited modernization of the agriculture sector will begin next year. That's according to Agriculture Minister Floyd Green. Speaking at today's post-cabinet press briefing, he revealed that $25 million has been set aside for the transformation. Vashon Brown reports.
Not much has changed over the years when it comes to agricultural practices in Jamaica. Oftentimes, the same old plowing techniques, planting strategies, and the same old technology. While some areas have seen improvements, come next fiscal year, the government will start a widespread modernization of the agricultural sector.
As you would have heard from Minister Williams, we're very happy that Cabinet has approved the modernization of the agricultural sector program, which is a 5-year project that will be executed by the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and will be financed by a US $25 million loan from the Inter-American Development Bank.
This project aims to improve productivity in the sector and increase income for farmers.
We're going to be focusing a lot on agricultural health and food safety and how can we strengthen and develop local and export market linkages. The project is structured around 2 main components. Component 1 will focus on agricultural health and food safety, and component 2 will focus on public agricultural infrastructure and services for public-private partnerships.
At the end of the project, Mr. Green says there are some primary expected outcomes.
We're going to be looking at our plant protection unit of the Research and Development Division. We're going to be providing more equipment, providing more staff. We're going to be looking at our plant health information system that will be developed. We're going to renovate our export complexes at the Montego Bay and the Kingston Airport. Again, this is tied to ensuring that we fulfill the requirements for our produce to leave Jamaica. We're going to be doing crop surveys. We're going to be working with farmers to look at integrated pest management. We're going to train our farmers in pesticide safety and how can they use ICT in dispensing their pesticides.
The ministry is also hoping to conceptualize a public-private partnership strategy to guide private sector relationships. It also plans to make more grant funding available for climate-smart agriculture. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.